This is the Yes4All cast iron kettlebell set, and on paper, it looks like one of the best budget-friendly ways to build a serious home gym. But here's the thing, after actually using these for real workouts, there are a few things you won't see in the product listing. So the big question is, are these kettlebells actually worth your hard-earned cash, or are you better off spending more elsewhere? Let's break it down. Yes4All cast iron kettlebell set product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Yes4All cast iron kettlebell set is a line of solid iron kettlebells designed for strength training, conditioning, and functional workouts. Yes4All has been around for a while in the budget fitness space, and these kettlebells are one of their flagship products. They come in a wide range of weights, from beginner-friendly 5 pounds all the way up to 80+ pounds, making them suitable for pretty much anyone, from total beginners to experienced lifters. The key selling point? Affordable, durable cast iron construction without the premium price tag of brands like Rogue or Eleiko. Yes4All cast iron kettlebell set performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how do these actually perform in real life? I've been using these kettlebells for everything from basic swings to more complex movements like Turkish get-ups and snatches, and honestly, they hold up surprisingly well. The weight distribution feels consistent, which is crucial when you're doing dynamic movements. You don't get that awkward imbalance that cheaper, poorly made kettlebells sometimes have. Now, during high-rep workouts, think HIIT or CrossFit-style sessions, they feel reliable. No rattling, no shifting parts, because, well, they're just solid iron. That simplicity is actually a huge win. But here's something interesting. The handle texture. It's slightly rough, which gives you a better grip without needing chalk all the time. That said, during longer sessions, especially if you're doing a lot of cleans or snatches, it can feel a bit abrasive on your hands. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few key features, and more importantly, why they matter. First up, the solid cast iron construction. This means there are no welds, no seams, and no weak points. Why should you care? Because it makes these kettlebells incredibly durable. You can drop them, swing them, and they'll take a beating without falling apart. Next is the wide, smooth handle. This is a big deal. It allows you to comfortably use one or two hands, which is essential for exercises like swings or goblet squats. And while it's not premium smooth, it strikes a decent balance between grip and comfort. Then there's the flat bottom design. It sounds simple, but it's actually super useful. It lets you do push-ups, renegade rows, or just store them safely without worrying about them rolling around your floor. And finally, the black painted finish. It helps protect against corrosion, but also gives it that classic gym look. Just don't expect it to stay perfect forever. Design and build. Aesthetically, these are pretty straightforward. No flashy colors, no branding overload, just a clean, classic kettlebell design. They're made of solid cast iron, which gives them that heavy, grounded feel the moment you pick one up. It feels real, not hollow or cheap. The paint coating is decent, though over time, especially with heavy use, you probably notice some chipping. Ergonomically, the handle is wide enough for most users, but if you've got larger hands, you might wish for just a bit more space. Still, for the price, the overall build quality punches above its weight. Pros. Solid cast iron build, extremely durable. Affordable compared to premium brands. Wide weight range for all fitness levels. Cons. Handle can feel rough during long workouts. Not as refined as high-end kettlebells. Final verdict. So, who is this for? And is it worth it? Look, if you're someone building a home gym on a budget, this is honestly a no-brainer. You're getting reliable performance, solid durability, and enough versatility to cover pretty much any workout style. If you're a beginner or intermediate lifter, you'll be more than happy with these. They get the job done without overcomplicating things. Now, if you're a hardcore athlete or someone training at a competitive level, you might notice the difference compared to premium kettlebells, especially in the finish and handle feel. In that case, spending more could make sense.